Most gig workers choose the wrong cash advance apps and don't realize it until repayment hits their account early and wipes out their balance. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many cash advance apps still struggle with gig income because Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and freelance payments can look inconsistent to traditional systems. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for gig workers, which ones actually accept flexible income, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes that trap drivers and freelancers in endless borrowing cycles. Let's get straight into it. One of the best options for gig workers right now is Dave. Dave works well for people with irregular deposits because it focuses heavily on account activity instead of traditional employment verification. Let's say Jake drives for Uber and DoorDash. Some weeks he earns more, some weeks less. Dave can still approve smaller advances based on spending patterns and deposit history. The biggest advantage is simplicity. Setup is fast, and smaller advances are usually easier to qualify for compared to traditional payday loans. But here's the problem. Many gig workers expect large advance limits immediately. Most apps increase limits slowly over time after successful repayments. Another strong option is Earnin. This app is especially useful for workers with predictable payouts. For example, Alex delivers food 6 days a week and gets regular direct deposits into his bank account. Earnin can track that income flow and offer early access to earnings before payout day. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnin often works better for gig workers who cash out earnings regularly, instead of waiting for weekly payouts. Consistency matters more than the actual job title. Next is MoneyLion. This app has become more popular in 2026 because it combines cash advances with banking and credit building features. If John works freelance graphic design projects online, MoneyLion may still approve advances if deposits arrive consistently. This is where most people fail. They connect accounts with unstable balances or frequent overdrafts. Many apps use automated systems to measure financial risk. Too many negative balances can reduce approval chances instantly. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest strategy to maximize approval odds without damaging your finances. Here's the key. Keep one main bank account for gig payouts. Don't spread income across multiple apps and accounts unless necessary. Cash advance apps prefer clear deposit history because it helps them predict repayment reliability. Also, avoid borrowing from several apps at once. It might feel like quick relief, but repayment withdrawals can stack together and create a bigger problem next week. Another option worth checking is Albert. Albert offers smaller advances and works well for newer gig workers who don't yet have long income history. The app is beginner-friendly and easier to navigate for first-time users. So, the best cash advance apps for gig workers in 2026 are Dave, Earnin, MoneyLion, and Albert. The right choice depends on how consistent your deposits are and how responsibly you manage repayments. If this video helped you understand which apps actually work for gig income, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which gig app you use most right now.